Welcome to my channel, Living Your Best Life, and I'm Cindy Smaha. And today we have a special video, which is our monthly BoxyCharm Unboxing and Giveaway. So I'm so excited. These are for the February products. Before we get into all these lovely items, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right next to it so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment, and I will let you know at the end of the video on how you can enter the giveaway. So let's get into the unboxing. So BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription for makeup, body lotions and creams and facial lotions and creams and all of that. So it's just so much fun to get these items. They also have every once in a while like a hair product or a hair tool, like a curling iron or a blow dryer and all that. So it's lots of fun. There are basically 3 boxes. The first box, which we'll be unboxing, is the base box. It's just a basic box that has about 5 products in it. It retails for usually around $130 for all the products, and you can purchase it for $28 a month. Now there's also the premium box, which has about 6, 7, or 8 products in it, and that usually retails around $225, around that, for all the products that are in it. And that monthly subscription costs you around $40 a month. Now, if you also want to get the Boxy Luxe, which has anywhere from 7, 8, or more products, which is pretty nice, that is given to you every 3 months, so 4 times a year. And basically what that is, it's $30 extra every 3 months. And what it does is your base box actually turns into the Boxy Luxe. So it's your $27 for the base box and $30, which makes up $57. So I hope I explained that well to you. So let's get into the unboxing. So we're first going to unbox the base box. Our first item is this lovely Beauty Bakery eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $38. Let me show you what all the beautiful shadows are. And this is what it looks like. Look at all those beautiful shadows there. And oh, I can't wait to use this. Woohoo! All right, and again, that retails for $38. The next product is Refreshments Body Wash Pearl, and it's got that citrus scent. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use this. I say that with all the products, and it did have a little, oh my gosh, that smells so wonderful. And the Refreshments, that retails for $14. Now you are just going to, can't believe this, Rare Beauty Foundation. And this is the Liquid Touchable Weightless Foundation. And this retails for $30. Let's look. Let's unbox it and take a look at it, see what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Yep, the same very wonderful packaging. And this, oh my gosh, this is gonna be good on my skin once it gets in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this feels so nice. Once you blend it in, I'm very, very, very pale. And this color here is called H-O-N, Hun. There we go. Okay, the next product is, ooh, Give Them Lala Beauty Hydro Matte Lipstick in Booty Call. Oh, I'm loving that. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. Ooh, nice packaging here. It looks like a really nice, ooh, it is a really nice nude color. Ooh, wow. Very nice. I could wear that today. Ooh, and it feels so nice on my skin there. And that retails for $16. All right, so our last product, and this I have gotten before, and I think I've told you this, is Lawless Beauty Forget the Filler Lip Plumper in Rosy Outlook. And this stuff, oh my gosh, you know what I'm gonna put it on. Oh man, this is, and I purchased this on my own too, through BoxyCharm. Oh, this also retails for $25. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Oh gosh, it just feels so good on my lips. Ooh, wonderful. So the base box, it totally retails for $125 for all those products in there. That's a really good bang for your buck. Okay, so let's get into the premium box. Okay, and the first one we're going to do is the Pout Perfect Liquid Lipstick. Oh my gosh, check out this packaging. I looked at it before. Look at that. That is so bougie bougie. And it is in Manifest. So check that out though. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that packaging. Now this will be included in the giveaway. All right, so one of you lucky people are going to get that. Our next product, and this is so cool. It is Eloise brand, and it is the Secret Garden Blush and Glow Palette. This retails for $45. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness. Look at all those shades. Oh my gosh, isn't that beautiful? I gotta try this. Oh my goodness. Where am I gonna put it? Oh, there's one. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? It's like a peachy peachy. The next one, oh, this is gorgeous. That's like a sort of a pinky peach. And then, oh my goodness, and there's some of them are really shimmery. Ooh, boy, that is, and that's more of a light peach. So again, this retails for $45. Ooh-wee. Now, this is super duper duper cool. Okay, you probably recognize this packaging. It's Natasha, Denona, okay, and this is the Jubilee eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $27. Look at those beautiful colors in there, and this really vibrant black. Ooh, that's exciting. All right, and again, that one retails, or if I didn't say it, $27. The next product, and you probably recognize this packaging again, this is Beauty Bakery, and this is the Hydra Silk Primer, and I've already used this. Since what I've got on today, and I really like it. It fills in my fine lines and wrinkles and really does a great job. Look at that. It's really sort of a lighter color primer, but it's, when you smooth it out, it doesn't leave a white cast, which is nice. And that one retails for $27. Now the next one we have is another refreshments, and this one is the Hydra, no, I'm sorry, this one is the Velvety Body Cream. So let's take a check here. Oh dear, I think it's one of those that has a, oh it does. Well, that's really good. And, ooh, that went on nice and silky. Ooh, that is nice and silky. Ooh, very nice, very hydrating. Ooh, I'm loving that. And that one retails for $14. Now the last product we have in the premium BoxyCharm box is the C8T of London, and it is the Royal Edition eyeshadow palette, and this one is going to be included in the giveaway. All right, let's just take a look really quick what you're going to get. All right. Look at all those beautiful shadows. Oh my goodness, how beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at the blue down at the bottom. Oh my goodness. And that retails for $48. The total price on all those products for the premium comes to $175.99. Wow, that is some really great products. So that was the premium and the base boxes. So now let me show you what other products are in the giveaway. I showed you the C80 of London, and I also showed you the Ace Beauty liquid lipstick. The other ones are the Farrah liquid eyeliner in Black Velvet. The other product, and I love this. This is so awesome. I've got 2 other bottles of this, and I wanted you to try it because it's really super nice. It is the Dermalect Out Crease Retinol Trifecta Serum, and it goes on so nice. It goes into the skin. It's basically a retinol alternative. It does have some retinol in it, but it's very mild, and I love, love, love this. Again, it really goes on very smoothly. I don't know the retail price offhand, but it's super duper nice. I hope you'll enjoy it. The next one is a very well-known brand, Dr. Brandt, and I wanted you to try this too because this is super nice. This is the Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream, and it helps with fine lines and wrinkles, which most of us have after 40. And I wanted you to try this because this is super nice. Now, the last product is the Lovecraft Beauty, and this is and I want to open it, so I'm sorry you get this. It's going to be, you know, I'm trying to open it because I really want everyone to see it so you know what you're going to get. I'm not going to, of course, open the bottle itself, or I'm sorry, the jar itself, and it's a beautiful goldish bronze, and that they are stating on the box goes anywhere. So your body, your face, your eyes, it can be used anywhere. So that's going to be included. So that is the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed this. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do in the comments is state what color or kind of hat that is in the back on my desk, And again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I so enjoy doing these unboxings and giveaway and give you some things that I just truly love, and to be able to bless you. That makes me so happy. What also makes me happy is when you subscribe to my channel. And right now we have almost 400 subscribers. I am so happy about that. So again, I love you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you next week, Monday at 4. Have a great week. Bye-bye.